I'm so excited for this hair. I also have like this braider starter kit. So this is 18-inch number 30 in the texture body wave. It's real cute. This is feather crochet hair. So yeah, you already know we're doing miracle knots. The top part of my head is already sectioned off, and then I have to, you know, section the back. My sections in the front, they are not braided all the way down. And if you know, you know, your girl likes to make sure that her miracle knots end with a piece of hair. So while I'm braiding it down, I will go ahead and add a piece of that human hair. That's the first step. And then, if you know, you know, I like to add 2 more pieces to each braid. Just crochet that on. I go out of town tomorrow, so I need to be done with my hair soon. What time is it? It's 4:45 right now, and I'm only projecting that it's going to take me 5 hours because I still have to part and braid the back of my hair. That's why I love miracle knots, because usually this part, that how I have the top of my head, is already done, but not today. So that's all I'm going to be doing here. Stomach cramping too. Of course my cycle will come on right when I'm ready to go out of town. Right when I got a lot of stuff to do. Okay, this is super cute. But yeah, got 2 done. I'll be back. Okay, so all of the top is done. It is 5:50. Cool, good timing. Now what I would do is just follow my parts around. I'm ready to take a break though. I think I'm going to take a lot of breaks. Like, my plan is to braid my hair, but also take a break to pack, braid some more, take a break to clean, because I like to wash clothes and sweep and mop before I go out of town. So then when I come home, it's just so fresh and clean and relaxing. So I'll probably finish later than 10 because I got a lot of stuff to do, plus finish my hair. Okay, so here's an update. I have 2 rows done in the back. I just seconded off my second to last row at the top. I'm ready to take another break, honey. I'm tired. I think I'm just over it and I'm moving slow because I have to get on the road in the morning. Shawty ready to take a little breaky break. It's so cute. We'll be back. I only have 3 more rows left. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I'm ready to take a break. Okay, so I'm all done with all of my braids. Yes. Y'all won't believe what time it is. It is 3:36 in the morning. But I have cleaned up, I've packed. I'm still working. I'm not getting on the road at 6. I think I'm gonna get on the road at like 8. Because regardless, I have to get up in the morning and take homegirl out to use the bathroom. So I doubt if I take her out and come back and get back in the bed. No. It's 3:35 and I still have to do my makeup, finish this video, take pictures, take a shower, go to bed. Sleep for life, 5:30, 6:30, 7:30. I gotta drive to the other side of town, drop her off, but the highway is like right there to get on the road. I'm talking about I'm gonna get on the road at 6. I know that ain't happening. So this is how much hair I have left. So that was 5 packs of hair, and this is how much hair I have left out of the 5th pack. I opened up the 5th pack on this last bottom row, so I only took 12 pieces out of this. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this back up, and that's the same thing I do when I take my hair out, wash it, let it air dry, and then I put it back in its bundles again. And I usually sell my used hair on Mercari, so click the link down below if you want to check your girl out and get you some. But let me do my makeup, come back. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. Gorgeous. Okay, so really quick recap. I used 4.5 packs of hair. It took me like 6 hours start to finish. Remember, only half of my hair was pre-sectioned off at the top. Had to section everything else off in the back. That's it. This is human hair. So when it comes to taking out these braids, all I do is start at the end and just unravel the braid. If your hair gets stuck between a piece of the thread, just pull your hair apart inch by inch really slowly, strand by strand, and it'll come right out. Then you just wash this hair. I like for my human hair to air dry, so I'll leave it out for about 2-3 days. Put the braid tie back on, put it back in its original packaging, and save it for later. So yeah, this hair is super lightweight. It's really full. I love the color. I love the curl pattern because like I don't have to do anything to it. And it has this really cute loose beach wave. I just love it. Oh, it just look really, really good. I have no leave out. Yeah. To maintain this style, I just put on a bonnet and keep it moving. Alright you guys, until next time, bye. Okay, so since I'm going to be driving on the road for the next 5-6 hours, I did like this flat twist coming to like a bun, and then I picked some of the hair out. So cute. But also for the hour or 2 that I will take a nap. And then also, it's out of my face when I get on the road. Instead of doing a braid and that fully changes like the curl pattern, I just did like a flat twist.